Hello, everyone. Now I'm going to explain my project, Elder Care Buddy. Every day, family caregivers juggle a parent or grandparent's medication schedule and doctor visits, often using text messages and sticky notes, with no safety net if something gets missed or entered incorrectly. Elder Care Buddy is an AI assistant that takes that load off the caregiver's shoulders while keeping them involved in every step of the process. Buddy is a multi-agent system built using Google's Agent Development Kit, or ADK. It helps caregivers manage medications and coordinate doctor visits for elderly patients. The project is built for the ADK multi-agent track, combining a workflow graph, specialized subagents, an MCP tool service, and a security layer that ensures every action is safe, secure, and fully reviewable. Elder Glance, this is what Elder Care Buddy offers: secure, supervised, and intelligent medication tracking, doctor visit coordination, and a security and approval gate, all working together behind one simple conversation. Let me walk you through how a request actually flows through the system. Every message starts at the security checkpoint. This node scans the input for personal information, such as phone numbers or email addresses, and redacts it. It checks for prompt injection attempts and flags any unsafe medication dosage. It also writes a structured audit log for every single request. If the input is safe, it is routed to the orchestrator. The orchestrator is the main elder care agent. It doesn't answer questions itself. It delegates them. If the request is about medications, it hands it off to the medication agent. If it's about a doctor visit, it hands it off to the doctor visit agent. Both of these specialist agents communicate with an MCP server through Steed.io. The medication agent uses tools such as Medication List and log medication adherence. The doctor visit agent uses Get Appointments List and Add Doctor Notes. The MCP server is the shared source of truth, backed by JSON storage. Now, if either specialist wants to make a change, such as adding a new medication or scheduling a new doctor visit, it doesn't happen immediately. Instead, the agent proposes the action, and the proposal is sent to the approval node. The approval node pauses the entire workflow and asks a real human, the caregiver, to approve or reject the request. Nothing is written to storage until the caregiver gives approval. If the security checkpoint detects anything unsafe, the request skips the normal workflow entirely and is routed directly to the security violation handler. Let me show you 3 real interactions. First, I'll type, "Show me my current medication list." This passes the security checkpoint, gets routed to the orchestrator, and is delegated to the medication agent, which calls the medication list tool. As you can see, it lists the current medications: aspirin and metformin. I already mentioned the validation error earlier, so I'm keeping it as it is. Next, I'll type, "Please add a new medication, lisinopril, 10 milligrams, daily at 9 a.m. Watch what happens. The medication agent proposes the change, and the approval node pauses execution. The playground displays, approval required, proposing to add lisinopril, 10 milligrams, daily at 9 a.m. Do you approve? I'll respond, yes. Now the medication is saved to medicationsdata.json. Finally, let's see the safety boundary. I'll type, "Add medication, ibuprofen, 2,000 milligrams once a day." Because that dosage exceeds the 1,000 milligram safety limit, the security checkpoint immediately flags it as critical, logs the event, and blocks the request before it ever reaches an agent. The user simply sees a security warning. That safety layer is the backbone of this project. The security checkpoint handles PII redaction, prompt injection detection, and dosage safety checks. Every request, whether safe or unsafe, is recorded in a structured audit log. On the tooling side, the MCP server exposes 4 tools shared across both specialist agents, keeping medication and appointment data consistent in one central place. Buddy is built for family caregivers who want help managing an elderly loved one's care without giving up control. Every meaningful change still requires their approval. That combination of smart delegation, shared tools, and a human always in the loop is what makes this product ready for real-world caregiving, not just a demo. Thank you for watching.